In this video, you will be informed of the reasons behind why Amazon Prime won't load on your smart TV, as well as be provided with some solutions that you will be able to execute on your TV, so you can get back to watching your all-time favorites.
The downloaded Amazon Prime app on your smart TV could be due to an update, which is why it will not load when you come to launch it. Updates become available to get rid of any faulty files that may have transpired in the current version of the app, as well as improve certain features. If your internet connection is intermittent while you are trying to load Amazon Prime, the app will either freeze, lag, or display a black image. Amazon needs to be connected to a stable network to be able to successfully reach their server and stream content. A minimum download speed of 1 megabit per second is required for standard quality. 5 megabits per second is required for high definition. You may be unaware that your Amazon Prime subscription has expired and needs to be renewed. The app won't give you access to its library if you do not have an active account. If your smart TV software is experiencing issues, this will interfere with how well the installed applications function. Your TV may be needing a software update, or certain downloaded apps have incurred corrupted files that are hindering the performance of your smart device. The server could be down due to maintenance or an unexpected outage, which is why Amazon Prime won't load on your smart TV. Your device will not be able to process the request to access Amazon's files if it cannot get accepted on Amazon's side. You need to make sure there is enough memory on your smart TV to ensure Amazon Prime can load properly. If your device's RAM is too full, the app will be unable to download all the necessary data required to load its content. If you have unnecessary apps installed on your TV, delete them to free up more space. Step 1. With your TV turned on, click on the Home button on your remote. Step 2. Select Setting followed by Apps. Step 3. Click on System Apps. Step 4. Find Amazon Prime and press it. Step 5. You should now be able to select Clear Cache. Updating your Amazon Prime app will get rid of corrupted files currently installed on your smart TV, as well as improve its performance. Step 1. Open the App section on your TV. Step 2. Click on Settings followed by App Update. Step 3. Find Amazon Prime. You can now confirm you want to proceed with the update if one is available. If your network connection is intermittent, this will interfere with Amazon Prime loading successfully on your smart TV. The app needs to be connected to a stable network to process your request to have access to Amazon's media library. You can check that you are receiving adequate bandwidth for the app to run properly by testing your internet speed. Make sure your subscription with Amazon Prime is still active. You may have forgotten you canceled your subscription, or your monthly payment could have been rejected, resulting in Amazon canceling your account. Step 1. Launch the Amazon Prime page. Step 2. Select your account. Step 3. Within the Settings tab, click on Manage Prime Membership. Step 1. Launch settings. Step 2. Click on support. Step 3. Choose software update. You can select update now to confirm the installation. Your smart TV will automatically update its software, however, there may have been an interference during the last download. You can select update now to confirm the installation. Your smart TV will automatically update its software, however, there may have been an interference during the last download.